In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the order form template in monday.com. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's start by accessing the Template Center. First, log into your monday.com account. Once you're in, look at the left sidebar on the screen. You're going to see 3 dots. This is the More Options menu. Click on those dots and select Template Center. This will open up a variety of templates available for you to use. Next, let's find the order form. In the Template Center, you'll see a search bar at the top. Here, type in order form. After you do that, a list of available order form templates will appear. Find one that suits your needs and click on Use Template. This action will create a new board based on the selected order form, making it easier for you to manage your orders. Once you've used the template, it's time to customize your board to better fit your specific requirements. The chosen template will include a main table where you can track crucial details. You'll see columns for the order name, quantity, client name, email, phone number, and delivery address. Feel free to customize these fields to gather any additional information that is important for your workflow. Now let's take a look at the order form view that comes pre-built in the template. This view is particularly useful because you can share it via a link with your customers. By doing this, they can fill in their information directly, which streamlines the process of collecting orders and ensures you get all the necessary data without hassle. As you get familiar with your board, you might want to organize your workflow even further. A great way to do this is by renaming the groups within your board to match your processes. For instance, you might rename a group to Delivered Orders. This allows you to easily separate finished work from active requests, making it clear which orders are still in progress and which ones have been completed. Next, let's set up some automation to save you time and keep things running smoothly. At the top of your board, look for the Automate button. Click that to access a variety of automation options. Here, you can choose to create a custom automation. For example, you could set it up so that when the status of an order changes to Delivered, the item is automatically moved to the Delivered Orders group. Setting this up will ensure that everything remains organized and you won't have to manually move items around. In summary, using the order form template in monday.com not only simplifies your order tracking process, but also allows for better organization and efficiency. By following these steps, from accessing the template to customizing your board and setting up automation, you'll be well on your way to streamlining your workflow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful videos.